Hi creative friends, it's Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit. Today we're transforming simple mason jars into pretty rustic lanterns for your home. For this project you'll need wooden boards, chalky finish paint and a brush, fine sandpaper, some hardware, faux florals, twine, and twinkle lights. So let's get started. We want to start by painting both the front and sides of the wood boards with our dark gray chalky finish paint. Set it aside and let them dry completely. Once dry, use some coarse sandpaper to distress areas of the front and sides of each board. Next, turn the boards over and measure about 2 inches from the top of each board. Mark it and then add your mounting hardware to the back. Next, attach your hanging hooks to the front of the boards near the top. While your boards are drying after painting them, you can move on to the step with the jars. Take them outside and paint them thoroughly with frosted spray paint and let them dry completely. Once dry, we're going to add the twine hangers. So start by cutting one piece of twine and hanging it over the opening of the mason jar. Then wrap a second piece of twine around the first twine and the neck of the jar to hold it all in place. Then wrap a second piece of twine around the first twine and the neck of the jar to hold it all in place. Tie the longer piece with a small bow, and then tie together the ends of the first piece of twine to create a hanger. And that's it! Your hanging mason jar lanterns are done. Now you can fill them with whichever faux flowers you'd like, as well as some twinkle lights. The beautiful thing is that you can switch out the flowers with the seasons to have completely different looks. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more nature-inspired DIY craft and home decor ideas. Bye!